Today I want to talk about the vaccination and medication in broilers birds. Day 1, you give your broilers bird glucose, multivitamin, molasses or even chicken honey or sugar. Any of them is good, but you can just choose only one, either glucose, multivitamin, molasses or chicken honey. Day 2 to day 4 is multivitamin in the morning, antibiotics in the evening, or antibiotics in the morning, multivitamin in the evening. Day 5 to day 7, anticoccidiosis in the morning, multivitamin in the afternoon. Day 8, Lasota vaccine mixed with milk, or after drinking them, give them milk, 1 to 5 liters of water. Day 9, multivitamin. Day 10 to 13, anticoccidiosis and vitamin. That is anticoccidiosis in the morning, multivitamin or vitamin in the afternoon. Day 14, Gumboro vaccine. Day 15 to 20, multivitamin, either in the morning or in the afternoon. Day 21, second Lasota vaccine. Day 22 to 23, multivitamin. Day 24 to 26, anticoccidiosis. Day 27, second vaccine of Gumboro, that is second Gumboro vaccine. Day 28 to 30, multivitamin. Day 31 to 41, just clean water. Then day 42, deworming, that is treatment for abdomen. So from this day on, you will continue giving them water only because they are grown and are ready for slaughter. They don't need to take medication. If they are healthy, they usually don't have medication when they are 42 days old. It can hurt human beings, especially those that we buy and eat. So if you see any sign of aging, you can give them electrolyte water. Put them in their drinking water for 3 days.